Some of the smartest things you'll ever buy aren't expensive. They're just incredibly clever. Hidden on Amazon are gadgets that save time, fix everyday frustrations, and make simple tasks feel almost effortless. Most people scroll right past them without realizing how useful they actually are. From tiny inventions with surprisingly big impact to upgrades that make you stop and think, why didn't I find this sooner? Today, we're counting down 21 of the coolest Amazon gadgets that make life so much easier. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have more than one gadget sitting in your Amazon cart. Let's jump in. What if a Hollywood camera crew could fly right out of your bare hand? This is the Hover Air, a pocket-sized, self-flying drone that makes heavy remote controls completely obsolete. You just press a button, let go, and its AI instantly locks onto you for flawless, cinematic HDR tracking shots. It folds flat like a notebook and handles all the flying for you. Best of all for US creators? It weighs less than an apple, meaning absolutely zero annoying FAA registration or legal paperwork. It's hands-free filmmaking, perfected. Your boring old bathroom mirror is officially wasting your precious time every single morning. Check out the Capstone Smart Mirror. It looks like standard, premium glass, but it secretly hides a fully interactive, invisible touchscreen interface. With built-in Wi-Fi and crisp Bluetooth speakers, you can swipe through your favorite apps, check morning traffic, or stream tutorials while brushing your teeth. It features dual smart modes and a sleek, flexible hanging system, effortlessly turning your basic vanity into a high-tech command center. Stop carrying a bulky, bursting wallet that completely ruins your pocket's sleek silhouette? The Renote Snap is the world's first heavy-duty metal notebook wallet. This minimalist everyday carry item uses MagSafe to snap directly to your phone, doubling as a sturdy kickstand and a built-in ruler. The real genius feature? It packs infinite reusable notes inside for capturing sudden ideas on the go. It's the ultimate tool for a digital detox, letting you carry less, remember more, and look incredibly sharp doing it. Stop staring down at your smartphone and look straight into the future instead. These are the Inmo Air Smart Glasses. They pack a full multi-screen workstation right in front of your eyes with zero messy wires. Thanks to powerful onboard processing and a native app architecture, you can check notifications, use real-time navigation, or read video scripts completely hands-free. You get a literal Terminator view of the world. They look like premium, stylish eyewear, but give you a true sci-fi heads-up display for your everyday life. Heavy, clunky vacuum cleaners are making your weekly chores way harder than necessary? Say hello to the Eureka Bagless Canister Vacuum. Weighing under 9 pounds, this compact beast glides seamlessly between thick rugs and hard floors with a simple flick of a foot switch. The integrated airflow control is built right into the handle, and the bagless design means zero annoying maintenance costs. It packs incredible, deep-cleaning suction power into a lightweight frame that stores away easily in any tight closet space. You don't need a human practice partner to completely dominate the tennis court. This is the Pongbot Pace S series, the smartest AI-powered tennis robot on Amazon. It features advanced position-aware sensors and holds up to 150 balls to give you flawless full-court coverage. Just fire up the mobile app to customize your drills, or choose from over 300 preset training matches. It's like playing against a pro who never gets tired. It perfectly mimics real human ball spins, giving you elite training sessions whenever you want. Throw away those 5 different flashlights rolling around in your emergency glove box right now? The Vezir Laser is a powerhouse multi-tool that covers every single lighting demand. It packs an intense spotlight, a green laser pointer, a hidden UV light, and a warm floodlight all into one pocket-friendly frame. Need roadside safety during an unexpected breakdown? Just activate the red flash warning light. It's basically a Swiss Army knife made entirely of pure light. It saves you space, money, and guarantees you're never left in the dark. Traveling overseas with a tangled mess of plastic charging bricks is a total nightmare. Fix it instantly with the PowerAb Travel Adapter. Powered by next-gen GON tech, this single pocket cube can charge 7 devices at the exact same time. It features 3 USB-C ports, a USB-A port, a built-in wireless fast charging pad, and supports blistering fast PD 3.1 power delivery. It is the only charging brick you will ever need to pack. Plus, its universal slider works flawlessly in over 200 countries. Working in dark, cramped spaces with a clumsy flashlight is incredibly frustrating? Slip on the Luminix Safety Eyewear. These aren't ordinary safety glasses, they feature a patented, built-in CIE LED array that eliminates dark shadows right in your line of sight. They feature hands-free gesture controls to quickly toggle the lights, removable batteries, and a tough IPX5 waterproof rating. Best of all, they're ANSI certified to keep your eyes fully protected on any tough job site. Standard metal tape measures bend, snap, and give you inaccurate readings every single time. Upgrade your toolbox with the AceMed digital tape measure. It combines a physical heavy-duty tape with an advanced multi-measurement laser for instant, flawless accuracy. The bright LCD display handles all the math for you, featuring seamless self-calibration and multiple unit conversions. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend DIY homebody, this gadget guarantees perfect measurements in a split second. Ditch your tiny bedroom TV and get a massive cinematic experience instead. The TCL Smart Projector brings theater-quality entertainment right to your wall or ceiling. It supports crisp 4K content, 1080p HDR10 visuals, and rich Dolby audio. With built-in Google TV, all your favorite streaming apps are ready to roll. The real game changer is its unique 285-degree rotating base, paired with instant autofocus. You can turn your entire bedroom ceiling into an IMAX theater. It delivers a perfect picture at any angle. Your desktop monitor shouldn't be locked into one stiff, uncomfortable position all day long. This is the LG Smart Monitor Swing. It's a massive 32-inch, 4K UHD touchscreen built on a fully adjustable, wheeled ergonomic base. You can tilt, swivel, pivot, or adjust the height to match your exact workflow. Powered by WebOS, it streams your favorite shows directly over Wi-Fi with zero PC required, using a single USB-C cable. It's a premium TV and a pro monitor on wheels. It keeps your workspace completely clutter-free. Stop dragging a heavy, industrial-sized power drill around for simple household repairs. The Bosch 2-in-1 is an electric precision drill and screwdriver shrunk down to the size of a premium pen. Don't let the size fool you. It spins at a blistering 420 RPM, with 5 customizable torque gears. It features a bright OLED status display, a smart magnetizer design, and magnetic bit storage. It is literally the sleekest pocket tool ever engineered. It's the ultimate setup for quick fixes and delicate electronics. Touching a dirty, germ-ridden kitchen trash can lid is honestly so disgusting? Upgrade to this iTouchless 13-gallon motion sensor bin. Just wave your hand and the lid opens automatically, keeping things completely hygienic. It features a gorgeous, fingerprint-resistant white stainless steel finish and fits standard kitchen bags perfectly. Even better, it packs a patented Absorbex odor filter to instantly neutralize bad smells, running on extra-long battery life or an optional AC adapter. Crawling behind your TV to fiddle with tangled HDMI cables is incredibly annoying. This kit offers true plug-and-play wireless HD screen mirroring. Just plug the transmitter into your laptop and the receiver into your TV or projector, and boom, instant, zero-lag streaming over massive distances. It requires absolutely no software downloads or messy Wi-Fi configurations. It is the ultimate zero-cable cheat code for movie nights. It works flawlessly across Mac, Windows, and Android. Regular remote control cars get boring the second they hit a minor obstacle. Spyder's Stunt car completely changes the game, with advanced gesture sensing control. Kids just strap on the hand controller and drive the car using simple waves of their hand. It performs insane 360-degree rotations, drifts sideways, and flips over to drive on both sides. Complete with flashing lights and dynamic music, it's the ultimate high-energy gift. Straining your back just to reach things on the floor or high shelves is painful. This classic reacher tool gives you 26 inches of heavy-duty, aluminum reaching aid. It folds down completely flat for easy storage and features a strong, non-slip rotating jaw. The standout feature? Integrated dual magnets on the tip that easily pick up dropped keys, coins, or needles. It gives you an extra pair of super strong hands. It's an absolute lifesaver for seniors, disabled users, or anyone cleaning up around the yard. And that's it for today's lineup of 21 genius Amazon gadgets that are actually worth knowing about. Some of these gadgets solve everyday problems you didn't even realize you had. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you want more hidden tech finds like these, hit subscribe, because the next batch of crazy gadgets is already coming. See you in the next one.